The popular selfie editing app Facetune has now put out a new app that allows you to edit videos. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Facetune Video. Now let's get started. You can download Facetune Video for free from the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android devices. When you first open the app, you'll be met with this screen prompting you to purchase a VIP membership to access all the app's features. If you choose to, you can purchase a 1-year membership, 1-month membership, or one-time purchase permanent membership. Keep in mind that this is optional, and you can still use the basic features of the app without a VIP membership. Simply tap the X at the top to close this window without purchasing VIP. To start editing a selfie video, tap the image icon in the top left corner. If prompted, allow Facetune Video to access your device's camera roll. Select the video you want to edit. Now you can crop the video to portrait, landscape, or square. You can also trim the beginning and end of the video clip by dragging the markers on either side of the clip. When you're done, tap Start to begin editing. Now let's go through the editing tools in Facetune Video. I'll only be going over the free tools, but there are additional ones you can access if you opt for the VIP paid version of the app. Any tool with a Try badge on it is a VIP tool. If you're familiar with the original Facetune app for photos, the video version is quite similar. The first category of editing tools is called Retouch. Here you'll find tools to smooth your skin, mattify, add vibrance or glow, and intensify your eyebrows, along with a few VIP tools for touch-ups and concealing blemishes. Tap a tool to use it, then use the slider above to adjust the intensity of the effect. Go through this section and add as many effects as you like. Tap the play button to view what the effect looks like on your entire video. At any time, you can check out the before and after by tapping the comparison icon on the right. When you're done using all the tools in this category, tap the plus sign at the top to save. The next category of tools is called Reshape. In this section, the free tools allow you to edit your eyes and eyebrows. Adjust the size, width, height, tilt, and distance of your eyes, and adjust the thickness, lift, shape, tilt, and raise your eyebrows. Again, when you're done using these tools, tap the checkmark at the top to save. The next category is Smile. The only free tool here is Whiten, which you can apply to whiten your teeth. Remember to tap the checkmark to save. Next up is Eyes. The free tools include Details, which enhances the color and sparkle in your eyes, and Whiten, which whitens the whites of your eyes. Save by tapping the checkmark. Now you can add filters. If you scroll sideways, you'll see several categories of filters including Golden, Attitude, Ultraviolet, and more. Each category has some free filters and some VIP ones. Tap any filter to apply it, then adjust the intensity using the slider above. Next are Overlays. These include sparkles, VHS effects, film frames, and more. These are fun effects that can spice up your video. The last category of free tools is called Edit. Here you can make adjustments to your video's brightness, contrast, vibrance, saturation, temperature, and sharpness. Make sure you save all your changes. When you're all done Facetuning your video, you can export it by tapping the share icon in the top right corner. If you want to post it directly to a social media app like Instagram, tap Share to view those options. To save it to your device, tap the Save button. That does it for our guide to using Facetune Video for free. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.